Mock tests will give students the feel of an actual exam. This will help them be familiar with their exams and what it's going to be like. Mock tests are given before the actual examinations. This is an instrument you can use to prepare students. The best time to conduct them is before your students take physical tests. But then comes the problem of how you're going to do it. And here's the exact solution for it. You can create mock tests with OnlineExamMaker. You can search OnlineExamMaker on google.com, then go to OnlineExamMaker.com. The very first step in making a quiz in OnlineExamMaker is to sign up for a new account. After you log into OnlineExamMaker dashboard, you will see a navigation bar on the left of the dashboard. You can manage exams, questions, training courses, and students in one place. In OnlineExamMaker, you can upload or import your currently made questions in an Excel or Word document to the question bank. You can click the Select File button to upload your questions in Word or Excel format. After the questions of the mock test are uploaded successfully, you can preview the questions in the question bank. Firstly, you need to log on to OnlineExamMaker and click Exam. Then you click the plus New Exam button to start making your mock test. The first step is to input your test information. You can create a custom title for your mock test. Click the Add Questions button, then you can select the pre-made questions that can be used in your mock test. You can select any settings from this section to add to your exam. If you want, you can set the exam settings, such as the duration of the exam and whether students can retake the exam. After reviewing the quiz and making necessary adjustments, you can now publish the exam, share it with your students, and wait for them to answer the quiz. Analyze results. After candidates completed the test, OnlineExamMaker will calculate the exam score and generate insightful reports automatically. Head to Question Bank and then Question List in the sidebar. You will see the exam taken number in the top right corner of the exam table. After clicking the number, you can view the exam taken records of candidates. You can view statistical exam reports by clicking Statistics. In this section, you can view detailed reports about your exam in different aspects, including scores, questions, pass rates, form information, and more.